Okay, so I wait and I wait for the fishing men, but they didn't come. So I saw two guys, pretty old fishing men, but without a boat. Okay, the one with the boat that I waited for 1 hour, they didn't come, so I'm just gonna follow them. The one that are fishing by hand and not with a boat, they actually went that way. It looks pretty stiff way with a lot of rocks, but I think I'm gonna do it. All right, let's see what's going on here. So I will join them. I will see how they fish. Like, they are tiny fishing mans, not like the one with the boats, you know. They don't use nets. This is what I think so, yeah, because I didn't see, but maybe they are using nets and I don't know, or they're just fishing with a rope, you know, with a fishing it's like a dental. Oh, all right. Hola, amigo. Okay, so this is a really nice spot here. Okay, whoa, I haven't been to this piece of beach. I don't know if it's a beach, oh, or a land. Actually, my shoes are good with water, so I don't have a problem. So let's go from here, I think. Okay, let's go from here and see if they are succeeding. You can see them over there. Wow, look at that creature, like these little crabs here. Nice. So they are succeeding, basically. They are succeeding. I'm saying they are over there trying to fish. I don't know if they are succeeding or not, but we will find out in 1 minute. Okay, wow, this nice spot. Look at this sunrise, this amazing sunrise in Mazunte. Wow, I like this place so much, and you can imagine why, because you see everything is here so beautiful, so amazing. The beach, even here that there is no sand and there is only stones, you know, it's, you can see that it looks amazing. So this spot is for it's a very interesting why those fishing men are choosing this specific spot. But maybe I will succeed to ask them with my not so good Spanish that I speak. I know the basics, but let's see if they caught something already or not. So let's see. Hola, amigo. Hola. ¿Tú sabes tal vez cuándo los pescadores con botes se salen?
Ya salieron.
¿Ya salieron y de aquí también? ¿O?
A veces salen de aquí.
Sí, estuve ahí de 5:30.
No,
Nadie viene.
Posible allá en Sanagu. En Sanagu también.
Ah, de San Agustín. Y aquí a veces no salen.
A veces salen, a veces no.
Ah, y San Agustín todo el tiempo
Sí,
salen?
sí.
Okay. So maybe I will try. Okay, I will try San Agustín mañana. Okay. Todo el tiempo salen de San Agustín.
Sí.
¿Y tú pescadas que solo con este?
Solo con esto.
Sí, y también, ¿y todo el tiempo tienes pescadores?
En la mañana a veces vengo, él viene casi todos los días.
Sí, todo el tiempo. Ah,
Todo el día, todas las mañanas.
ok. Y ahora no hay para ti. Hasta ahora.
Al ratito,
Sí, hasta ahora.
que no quiere, sí, como que no quiere comer muy bien.
Ok. Y hay muy grandes pescados aquí.
Ahorita no, chicos.
Chicos, chicos como este, chicos. Oh, esta para mí es muy grande. Sí, pero, pero para ti es pequeño, ¿ah?
Grande, para nosotros así.
¿Dorado? ¿Tu
Son pez aguja.
aguja? Aguja. Es como típico de pescado. All right, so he says that this one is really small for him. For me, it's really big. Like, I mean, if you can see, he said from my stomach to here, he said this is really small for him. I mean, he looked for bigger fishes, so for bigger fish. Oh, wow. Este pequeño, sí,
Este es pequeño.
pequeño. Y hay más grande,
Más
¿ah?
grande, así.
Wow.
Por aquí así de grueso.
Ay, muy bonito. Wow. Sí, este vive.
Este
Él
es-
vive.
sí.
Oh,
Este es
wow.
Lo sacamos.
He's breathing. You can see his gills is still moving, you know. Wow. Un momento, yo puedo. Opa, con. Okay. Look at that. This is a really nice thumbnail. This is why I came here. So you
¿Quieres
see.
tocarlo? Puedes agarrarlo.
Oh,
Ahí donde lo estoy agarrando. Arriba, más arriba.
más arriba.
Sí, porque está vivo.
Sí.
De repente
Wow.
Ahorita
Look at
lo-
that.
ahorita
He's
lo
still
pones-
alive.
Al rato
Wow.
lo pones ahí.
Sí, 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 sí. Okay.
Puedes tomarte foto con él.
Sí, muchas gracias. Okay, I put it here. Okay. I think it's not killing him to keep it fresh, you know. But for me, I think he should kill him right now, you know, to prevent him from suffering more and more. Let's smell. Man, ooh, it's really smelly, really fishy. You can see it throwing the net over there, and it's like immediately like try to grab it again, but
Be careful con
okay,
aquí.
okay.
está bien.
Muchas gracias, amigo, para información. Muchas gracias. Okay, say to me that I need to be careful when it throw the hook to the ocean. It can, you know, stuck in my. I don't want to think about where can it stuck in my face or shirt or hand, you know, because it's really sharp. So he told me just right now to stay away from it, to stand here, you know. You see, I have a long distance from him, and he also looks like you see right now that I'm far away from him, and he didn't like make it like more, you know, you understand me, like more far away from him, that I'm not in his range, you know, that it won't hurt me. So like you saw, there is a dog. I think the dog wants the fish also. Do you want the fish? Are you hungry? Okay, until now he doesn't have any succeed, but let's stand maybe here. Okay, the other one went over there to a very like high hill that maybe has a, it's a good spot also. You see it rolling like a rodeo, you know, the ones who catches the bulls on a horse, and then it throws it away to the water, hoping for a big fish. Of course, like he said, this is not a big fish for him. Actually, this is small. When he showed me like in his hand a big thicker fish, so this is like a really small fish. Okay, so let's see what's going on there. All right. He doesn't have any catch till now. This one, And this one also. Oh, I think the hook went to the, okay, now he got it out. The hook went to the rocks and stuck inside the rocks. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Ah, okay, arriba. Sí. Otra posición. Sí, sí, sí. All right, so he said he's going up, so let's go up also to see, maybe change the spot, you know, change in place, change in luck, you know. So let's see what's going on. All right, okay. Okay, all right. Whoa. Okay, let's try to, maybe he went or he's coming. I think he's coming. I don't think he's gonna go home with just one fish and pretty small. Wow, this rock is really shaky and I could easily fall from here. Okay, let's try to walk from here. All right. Okay, my hand it's not so stinky, but still, oh. ¿Dónde está tu amigo? ¿Dónde está tu amigo? ¿Él viene aquí? Ah, ¿hay más posiciones ahí? Sí. Okay, he said like here, over here, there is another spot that they're gonna try, you know. Let's see what's going on here. Whoa. This is like really high and steep, you know. But I think he's going to, look at that crab shell. It's already been eaten, you see. I think he's going from here. Okay, so let's go from here after him. Whoa. Okay, I have to put it here. Okay, let's have a walk. Okay, this is really interesting. I like this place already, you know, although it's very steep right here. You have to be careful, you know. Okay, let's see. Wow, you know, when you are trying to go not in the regular way, you know, you're discovering suddenly new pets. So today morning I just decided to go with the fishing man, but they weren't there, so I just say, okay, I'm gonna follow these guys and I'm gonna basically come with them because those boats are empty and nobody's there, and they're not gonna leave because I asked like one person over there that he said maybe they're going out someday, sometimes not. And today basically they don't go out, so this is not my lucky day with the boat, but this is my lucky day with the fisherman. Okay, and then I can discover like new places, you know. This is really nice to go and discover, especially when you have this kind of nature and ocean that I'm not used to where I'm come from. So let's go, let's see. All right, all right. Okay. All right. This is very, very steep, but still I'm pretty far from the beach, so it's not from the ocean, so it's not dangerous. Wow, this dog is very athletic. Hey. Oh yeah, he took his fish in his hand. You can see a lot of crab shells here. I mean, this one actually looks alive. No, it's oh, maybe he just took it off his body. I don't know if they like take the shells off and then continue to live, or this is like a dead crab. I think it's a dead crab. Okay, let's continue with this fishing man, and let's see if they catch something, if they have luck. Like you see, he's rolling it, and let's see if he got lucky. I mean, one of the main thing in fishing is persistency, is consistency. You have to be very consistent, and you have to be patient. You know, the other one is over there, like you see, and this one is over here, much lower. So if you are consistent, and this dog is really nice, if you are consistent, okay, it's I think it's a lesson for life, you know. If you are consistent with what you do, you will succeed. If you are not, sometimes you fail. Failure, in my opinion, it's not a matter of if you're good or not. I mean, I saw a lot of untalented people, really untalented, or let's say they didn't have the potential to succeed if you judge it by their knowledge or many other characters, but they were so consistent and learning from this consistency till they got to the point they were very, very successful. So basically, in life, if you play by this rule, you can have success almost in anything you want. Just choose whatever you want and you will get success in. So this is my conclusion from life. You will take it wherever you want to take it, but this is my conclusion from life, and I think for me till now it worked out pretty good. So I think for everybody it will work, because I saw a lot of examples. Wow, he throws it very, very far, and I think when he like grabs it like that, he expects that on the way back this worm that he has on it gonna, like, the fish is gonna grab it because I think when the bait is in movement, it's better for him, because the fish think it's alive. And then I don't have so much experience, I don't have like so much experience with fishing, but this is like, you know, the logic tells me this is what happens with you know, an animal try to catch the prey. So this is like a natural law, okay? I believe it's true. So this one over here, like, he didn't succeed yet to grab anything, and this one here just caught this little guy here that I want to believe that he's dead. I think he killed him, because I see a little bit blood on his head, and he's not moving anymore. I think he should do it like really like before, but you know, this is the way of life, and it's okay, you know. They can do whatever they want. Right now it's their fish. If it was my fish, I would treat it otherwise. So let's see. This dog is waiting, I don't know for what, you know, because he's here, he's watching after them. Basically, dogs here in Mazunte are all the time waiting for you to feed them, to take them, to bring them something. Whoa, this one. Whoa, I didn't catch it. Wow, this one is really, really big. This one is really big. He caught it. Wow. Whoa, amigo. Wow. Felicidades. Wow. Muy grande. Wow. 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 Es muy, this is really big fish. I mean, this is the same fish as he caught before, but this is like a really big one. I mean, this one really could hurt you, I think, with his mouth, because it's really sharp, you know. You can see it's a really big fish. I mean, really big. All right, it's, I mean, 3 times than the other one, and the other one doesn't have any last. Why? Muy grande, amigo. And the other one, yeah, I think it's maybe 4 times than this one. And the other guy over there is not succeeding yet he hasn't succeeded to catch anything. So he changed, I think, position. He's gonna change to another position. From what I see, you can see he's like cutting the fish, and I think this is the bait, you know, he put on the hook. Oh, I put it for the dog. Okay, so this dog knew what he's like waiting for, you see. He knew. He's a fishing lover. He's a fish lover. Para coger.
Pescar.
Sí, sí, para coger. Okay, this is the bait, yeah. I think he spoiled the dog a little bit, because maybe it's his dog, so, or maybe he just loves dogs, you know. ¿Esta tu perro?
Mi perro.
Ah,
Choco.
okay. Choco, nombre?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Okay, this is his dog, so he know, now I know why he spoiled him, you know. This is his dog. The name of the dog is Chocolate.
Choco.
Oh, nice. Chocolate. Che. ¿Tienes tengo hambre? ¿Tienes hambre?
Comer.
Okay. Oh, so now, like you see, he's like cutting the fish in a way that he can put him on the hook. So you can see this is the hook here, and this is the rope. Okay, so he like grab it. Oh, nice. Okay. He's like, okay, so he like rolling it and spinning it, like creating like a worm shape. Okay, they have like really good techniques, you know, to take these kind of fishes out this big with just a rope. It's amazing. I mean, I didn't think it's possible, because I think those fishes are more depth in the ocean, but surprisingly he catches them from the beach. So, you know, it's really amazing to see the diversity here, you know, they have in the ocean. Oh, he's taking the hook. He's gonna attach it to the one he has over there. I mean, you can see I don't want to get closer to him, because, you know, like I said before, he is spinning it like this, so it's really like, even the dog knows to stay away from it and not go furthermore. So no fish for this guy over there, not yet. For sure, like you see, the sun is going out, but let's see if we see another catch. I can say that Chocolate is very like disciplined dog, because you have those baits here, and you know, he as a dog can go immediately here and basically eat all the baits, but I think he's maybe in the past he did it like and he learned the lesson of not touching the bait, although I'm sure he's really into it. I saw something move here, but yeah, I see there is a little shell, so let's see, maybe we can succeed to see it happening live, because I think maybe this position is much better than the other one, or maybe, you know, it's a lucky day, but I know there is no luck. I mean he caught something, I think so, because no, I just imagine. No, I just imagine. I thought he had like resistance with a hook. Okay, throws it again. Whoa. Okay. Okay, sometimes you see like he has resistance, but it doesn't. He doesn't really have resistance. Okay. So not yet. Okay, you go for another throw. The dog is really concentrated, because I think the dog is he knows that maybe when he catches something and this fishing man is happy, this dog get a little bite. So maybe this is the reason that he pray with me that he catch something. Wow, the waves are getting stronger, you know. I mean, before they didn't come so close, now they are like really, really close. Okay, he rolls it away, he throws it away. Let's see if he brings 3 fishes today. Let's see what's going on. I mean, this is really interesting, you know, because this one over there, like, no, nothing till now. This here with 2 success. Wow, like you see a lot of the rope, like from ears, like, wow, this is really nice. A lot of it like goes away and it blocks it, you know, the wooden plate that he has there, like the rope is spinning around, basically is like whoa, wow. Okay, if you see the sun on the water like me, you understand that I'm in paradise, you know. For me, oh, this is paradise. I'm in Mazunte, one of the best places I've been to. So he just checked the bait to see if it's something has touched it maybe, or even if it's been eaten a little bit. Let's see if he has like lucky today and he grabbed like one more fish. So maybe tomorrow I will try to go to San Agustinho and try to like going out with a boat, with a fishing boat. It's a totally different experience, because they just throw in the nets in the noon or afternoon, I think before sunset, and they are picking it up in the sunrise. So I think it could be like also very nice adventure. So I will try to find out today when those fishing men are going out, and then I will try to join them. Maybe here, maybe in San Agustinho, that it's 5 minutes from here, so it also can be a very, very good option for me. So like I told you, like you see, this guy doesn't have any catch yet, but this one is throwing it again. I feel like I'm broadcasting a sport broadcast, you know, a sports game like football or something like that, you know. He's throwing the rope, but no success for him. I mean, Chocolate is a very good dog. He's like patient as his owners, you know, sitting here waiting for the next spoil that is going to get from him. Let's see. Oh, another one. All right, so we just saw. Okay, I just saw it. So this is like really like, whoa, really small one. Wow, amazing. You see this one in the round. I think this one is dead already. No, he's not dead. He's not dead. He has like 3 fishes already. I mean, he is really good today. His consistency and the position that he took is really good. The guy upstairs doesn't have any luck till now, you know. So this bait is not useful anymore. He just cut it and he's gonna make another one. I think when he pulls it out of the fish, so it's something is is maybe destroyed on the way, so it's not useful anymore. Él no tiene suerte, ¿sí?
Nada, amor.
No, nada. Hasta ahora.
Mi hermano.
Sí,
Mi hermano.
sí.
It's
Mi
my
hermano.
friend. My friend.
Ah,
Yeah.
sí. Ah,
Yeah.
¿tu hermano?
Yes.
Oh.
What's your name?
Shai.
Shai.
¿Y tú?
Raymond.
Nice to meet you, mucho gusto. ¿Y tú, nombre?
Maximino.
Maximino.
Santos.
Ok, mi nombre, me llamo Shai. Shai, mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto, Shai.
Ok.
Ahí carne. Yo toco por ti.
Entonces, ellos grandes,
Más grande,
ellos
un poco
grandes,
más
sí,
grande,
más
más
grande.
grande.
Pero a veces tú, hay más grande de estos.
Sí, muy grande.
Sí, más.
Pura fila, sí.
Ok. Más grande y más.
Más grueso.
Más, ok.
Tiempo de lluvia.
Ok.
Tiempo de agua. Ya mero vienen las lluvias.
Sí.
Cuando vienen las lluvias,
Sí.
mucho agujón grande.
Oh, ok. Cuando hay lluvia. Okay, he said when it's raining, the fishes are much bigger. The fishes that come to this spot, or maybe in general. So this one is really small, but the one over there like is really big. But still, he says they are much bigger than that. You know, they are like brothers. This is what he told me. So, or maybe this is like just you know, a nickname for a good friend, like a brother. But they look like a really good friend. I mean, immediately when I told him that his friend doesn't have a luck today, he wanted to show me that this is like a really good friend of his, and they are like brothers, or maybe they are brothers. So, Chocolate, did you eat, man? Did you eat? Good dog. So guys, I think I'm gonna return back now to the beach because it's starting to get warm with the sun. As you can see, the sun already like starting to get high in the sky, and I think for me it's time to return back to the beach. And like I told you, I'll try to find out today or tomorrow how it's to go out with the fishing boat. And wish me luck on the way back, because I need to go through all these just to get there. So I'll see you guys on the next one. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, to the Coco Boy channel. And I will bring you some more interesting content. See you guys. Bye bye.